Hello guys. Okay, that means the maximum value, minimum value should be 25 or maximum value 45. That means ki you have to design the stair between these two ranges of the inclination. Okay, I hope it's clear. So I'm going to tell step by step how will you calculate the concrete required in the stair. Okay, suppose the riser is given, the height of the riser is given 150 mm, okay, and the trade is 300 mm. That means generally the riser is more than the trades, the numerical value of the trades is more than the riser, okay. And suppose the width of this trade is given 100 1200. That means this is the width, okay. Don't be confused, this is the width, okay. So this portion is what? This portion is the riser, this is the trade, and this is the width. Okay. I hope clear. I hope it is clear. Okay. So riser is given, trade is given, width of the trade is given, and the total height is given 3,000 mm. That means the height of the stair is given. Height of the stair is given is 3,000. That means this is the what? This is the height, total height of the stair. Okay. Generally, it is provided in residential building. The total height, generally, it is provided 3,000. Sorry, 3,000 mm. That means the 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. So what you have to do? Step one. What you have to do? You have to find out the total number of the step. That means the total number of the step you have to find out. So what will you do? So height is given and total number of the riser height of the riser, if you will divide, that means the total height is 3,000 and the height of the each riser is given 150. So if you will divide, then you will get the total number of the step. That means you have to decide, you have to find out the total number of the step is. So you are getting the 20 number, 3,000 divided by 150. That means the total height of the stair, that is total height of the stair is given, and the height of the riser is given 150. So here you are getting the 20 number of the steps. Okay. Horizontal length. So horizontal, what is the horizontal length here? That's mean this is the horizontal length. Okay, this is the horizontal length. Suppose the stair is given, stair, suppose this is the side view of the stair. Okay, this is the height and this is what? This is the horizontal length. Okay, edge, and this is, I'm telling the vertical. Okay, this is the what? This is the step. Okay, I hope clear. I hope it is clear. So first step is to find the number of the step. You just got the number of the step. Horizontal length, how will you get? How will you get the total number of the horizontal? This is trade. If you multiply the total number of the step with the length of the what? Length of the trade, then you will get the h. Simply. It's a simple math calculation. So here the trade is given what? 300 mm and the number of the step is 20. So simply we are 300 into 20, you just got 6,000 mm. That means the 6 meter. That is, it means this is what? 600. That means what? If you am, this is mm, this is in mm. Okay. Okay. So we just got the number of the step and the horizontal length and the vertical height. That means the vertical height is given already. So what you have to do, you have to find the length of the vessel. What is the length of the vessel? This is the length of the vessel. This is this is the vessel. Okay. What? So first, before The first step of to design the stair, we have to first step to design the vest slab. Then the second step we are going to design the steps. Okay, so this is the vest slab. Okay, it has some thickness. This is the vest slab. Okay, and it is inclination. So how will you get? You have to find you have to use the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, so base is given, height is given. So how will you get? Simple, using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get the length of the vest slab. This is the vest slab. Okay, so length of the vest slab, simply what, with the height is given 3 meter and the width is given, total width. Okay, the horizontal length, sorry, the horizontal length is given, the what, we just find out the 6 meters. So using the Pythagoras theorem, just we have found out the length of the what, vest slab. Okay, so finally the length we just got the 6.708 meter. Okay, okay, so now we got the all parameter. So each by each, I'm going to find out, okay, how will calculate the volume. Simply volume of the vessel slab. So now I'm going to find out the volume. Okay, this is the vessel slab, and simply its length is, sorry, its width is given. How much? This is 1.2 meter. Okay, see, this is 1.2 meter. Okay, 1.2 meter. So I hope कि you just visualize this image कि how it is look like. Simply this is base slab. Okay, this is inclination, and this portion, this is 1.2 meter in width, and length of this base slab just we got 6.708 meter. Okay, and its thickness is given. We are going to assume that 0.1 meter. Okay, so volume is length, base, and height. Simply volume we are getting 0.804 meter. Okay, volume of the step. Now we just got the volume of the concrete that is required to design the base slab. Now I'm going to find out in second. I'm going to find out the what is the amount of this concrete is required to make a step. Total number of the step I have just got 20. So how will you find out? Simply, if you see that this is what, this is in triangle portion. Okay, triangle portion, you see that this is in triangular portion. Okay, so how will you find out? First, you'll find the area, half into, this is the trade, this is the, sorry, this is the what, trade, and this is the riser. Okay, that means you just got the area. If you multiply with the width, you are getting what, volume, and this is the number of the step. So total volume is required 0.54 meter. Okay, so here, so find total volume is what, total volume just simply b, you will simply you add the volume of the waste slab, the volume of the concrete that is used in the waste slab, and the volume of the concrete that is used in is step. Okay, so this total volume is required 0.804. That means ki v, if I am going to v1 and v2, so v total, that is v1 plus v2. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now the find the second, I'm going to find out the what is the slope here. So there are two methods actually. If you are going to find using the trade riser, that means the height of the riser to the trades, simply 0.5. Okay, and alpha, simply I'm 10 inverse 0.5. That means we just got the 0.2. sorry, to 26.5. That is okay. Because it is in range of what? 25 to 40. Because as per the IS code, it is recommended to use the stair between this range. Okay. The inclination should be like that. The final result, total number of the step, we just got the 20 and the horizontal length is 6 meter and the base slab is 0.84 meter and slab volume is step volume, sorry, 0.54 and the stair slope is 26. That means here, so here we just got the total volume of the concrete for designing the what? For designing the stair. Okay. Thank you so much. So if you are getting any doubts, so you just